prosperity and stability can't be possible in a world where the rich become richer while the poor are made poorer. Every nation aspires for a better life, and modernization is not a privilege reserved for any single country. My warm greetings to everyone. I, Paridhi Jain of class 12 Humanities, student of Delhi Public School, Siddharth Vihar, is here to give a little glimpse about G20 Summit. Do we have any idea about it? No? No worries. Let me tell you. G20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It works to address major issues to the global economy, such as international financial stability, climate change mitigation, and sustainable development. The 18th head of the State and Government Summit of G20 will take place in September 2023 in New Delhi, India. Under the Indian presidency, the G20 in 2023 will focus on the theme Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, one earth, one family, one future. The theme affirms the value of human, animal, plant and microorganism and their interconnectedness on planet Earth in the wide universe. The Leaders' Summit is the climax of the G20 process and the work carried out over the year through ministerial meetings, working groups and engagement groups. Indian presidency will also spotlight lifestyle for environment. Now, I would like to conclude by saying, housing 1/6 of the humanity and with its immense diversity of languages, religions, customs and beliefs, India is a microcosm of the world, and we heartily welcome all the countries to our incredible India. Thank you.